Welcome to this new Hatha Yoga class to start your day with energy. Unroll your mat and let's begin. Come into a tabletop position with your knees on the mat. Inhale into a cow pose, arch your back. Exhale into a cat pose. Round your spine. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now begin to move your body in circles, flowing between cat and cow. Make two circles to one side and two circles to the other side. Move the whole body and relax your spine. Lift your right leg and your left arm. Reach long forward and back. Stay here and inhale and exhale. Keep your balance. Breathe freely. Lower down. Now switch sides. Lift your left leg and your right arm. Look slightly down towards the mat. Inhale and exhale. Return to tabletop with the knees down. Move your body again gently to relax the spine, arms, and shoulders. Straighten your legs, lift your knees, and come into full plank. Inhale and exhale. Send your hips back into downward facing dog. Relax your neck, soften your shoulders, and continue breathing. Inhale and exhale. Lift your left leg up towards the sky, creating a straight line from your foot through your spine and arms. Bend your left knee. Bring your left knee to your chest. Step in between your hands. Lift your arms up for warrior one. Rotate your right foot and move into a warrior two. Lower your arms to shoulder height and gaze forward. Inhale and exhale. Shorten the distance between your feet. Straighten your legs. Lower your left hand to the mat or to your ankle. Lift your right arm up for triangle pose. You can rest your hand on your leg if needed. Lower your right hand, rotate your right foot. Your right hand stays on the mat, left arm reaches up. Move into a twisting triangle. Lower both hands. Step your left foot back into a plank. And inhale and exhale. Lower slowly and with control into chaturanga. Come down to the mat and move into cobra. Open the chest, relax your shoulders, breathe freely. Press your feet down, send your hip back, and return to downward facing dog. And again, Relax your shoulders and neck. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Prepare to lift your right leg up. Create a long line from your foot through your spine. And stay here. Inhale and exhale. Bend your right knee and stay here. Inhale and exhale. Bring your right knee to your chest. Step it between your hands. Lift your arms up for warrior one. Relax your shoulders and breathe. Rotate your left foot. Lower your arms to shoulder height. Gaze forward in warrior two. Straighten both legs. Shorten the distance between your feet. Reach your right hand forward and lower it to your ankle for triangle pose. Remember, you can place your hands on your leg, ankle, or the mat. Lower your left hand. Rotate your feet. Rotate your left foot. Move into a twisting triangle. Your left hand is on the mat. Right arm reach up. Lower both hands. Step your right foot back into a plank. Stay here. Pause and inhale and exhale. Lower slowly into chaturanga. Press your feet and legs down and breathe in cobra. Send your hips back again into a downward facing dog. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and inhale and exhale. Repeat. Inhale and exhale. Bend your knees slightly. Hop your feet towards your hands. Straighten your legs and fold forward. You can cross your arms to gently release the weight of the body and relax. Bend your knees again and take a deep breath to rise. Lift your arms up, brings your hands together. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale once more. Hands together. Exhale. Now we practice balance in tree pose. You can keep your foot lightly on the floor, place it on your calf, or with your hand, bring it to the inner leg. Hands at your chest. Fix your gaze on one point and breathe freely. Keeping your balance, hold your big toe. Extend your right leg forward. Extend your left arm out at shoulder height. Keep your gaze steady. Bend your right knee. Lower your foot. Bend your knees and move into a chair pose. Relax your shoulders. Lift your arms up, gaze slightly down, and breathe freely. Come back up. Now we switch sides. Place your foot slightly on the mat, on your calf, or on your inner leg. Hands at your chest. Fix your gaze. With your left hand, hold your big toe. Extend your leg forward. Extend your right arm at shoulder height. Breathe freely. Bend your left knee, lower your foot. Bring your feet together. Inhale and bend your knees. Lift your arms up for chair pose. Gaze down. Inhale and exhale. Return to the center. Straighten your legs. Sit down to relax your legs. Move your feet. Flex and point. One at a time or both together. Bring your right foot back and keep your left knee bent for pigeon pose. Inhale and exhale. Relax and keep breathing. Lower your forehead to the mat. Arms rest by your sides. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and lift back up. Switch sides. Extend your left leg back and bend your right knee. Lower your forehead to the mat. Arms by your sides. Relax your body and legs. Inhale and exhale. Lift back up. Sit down and cross your legs. Place your right hand on the floor beside you and take a deep side stretch. Switch sides. Come back to the center and move into a seated twist. Hold your right knee with your left hand and twist back. Return to center. Hold your left knee with your right hand and twist back. Return to center. Move your feet, move your hands. I hope you enjoyed this class. See you in the next one. Have a beautiful day.